You're sitting in a meeting. It's quiet, maybe too quiet. Then someone across the room lets out a big yawn. And just like that, boom, you're yawning too. You weren't even tired or bored. 2 seconds ago, you were fine, but now your jaw's stretching like it's training for a hot dog eating contest. Why? Why is yawning contagious? Is this a glitch in the Matrix? A secret brain handshake? Some weird leftover from caveman times? Let's find out. First of all, yawning itself is already weird. It's like your body saying, hey, we need more oxygen in here and let's make it dramatic. But scientists still argue about why we yawn at all. Some think it helps cool the brain down, kind of like cracking a window in a hot car. It's still up for debate. Others say it's about keeping you alert, like a quick slap from the inside just to wake you up. But the real question is, why does someone else yawning make you yawn? Just hearing the word yawn over and over probably made you yawn. Sorry about that. Or, you're welcome? So here's the current theory: empathy. Not the deep kind, like I feel your pain. More like I feel your yawn. Humans are social animals. We copy each other without realizing it. Body language, tone, that weird fake laugh you do when your boss tells a joke. Yawning is just another way our brains mirror what we see. It's called contagious yawning, and it mostly shows up in humans, chimpanzees, and, surprisingly, dogs. Yep, your dog might yawn just because you did. That's either very sweet or very creepy, depending on how long they stare at you afterward. Here's where it gets stranger. Not everyone is equally yawn sensitive. People who are more empathetic are more likely to catch a yawn. It's like their brains are tuned in to the yawn network, while others just scroll past like, meh. Kids under 4, not very yawn contagious. Teenagers, yawning constantly, just never admitting it. Studies suggest people with lower empathy, like those scoring high on the psychopathy scale, are less likely to catch a yawn. So, if your friend never yawns when you do, maybe just keep an eye on them. Also, fun fact, people are more likely to yawn when someone they know yawns rather than a stranger, which means your roommate's yawns hit harder than some guy yawning on the bus. That's friendship. Now, some researchers think it goes even deeper, back to prehistoric survival mode. Imagine a bunch of prehistoric humans sitting around a fire. One of them yawns, the others copy. Suddenly, everyone's brain is like, yeah, time to rest. Group nap activated. Safer, warmer, more in sync. It's kind of like your social Wi-Fi. Someone sends out a signal, yawn, and your brain auto-connects. But before you go using yawns to test your friend's empathy levels, just know this: we still don't fully understand it. It's one of those science is working on it mysteries, like why we dream, or why microwaved pizza is still lava in the middle. Bottom line, yawning is weird. Contagious yawning is weirder. And now that we've said yawn like 30 times, you've probably done it at least once, or twice, or, okay, now I'm yawning. We're done here.